Welcome, innovative minds and strategic thinkers. I'm Thamizharasu, your business coach, and I'm here to unlock the potential of your business with the power of market segmentation. Imagine knowing exactly what your customer wants, when they want it, and how they want it. That's the magic of proper segmentation, and today, I'm going to show you how to master this magic and transform your business. So, let's dive into the world of market segmentation and explore how it can be the game changer for your business success. And remember, stay tuned until the end for a special message that you won't want to miss. 1. Understanding market segmentation, an overview. Market segmentation is the art of dividing a broad consumer or business market into subgroups based on shared characteristics. It's not about just selling, it's about solving specific problems for specific groups. Think of it as a tailor-made suit. It fits perfectly because it's crafted for an individual, rather than a one-size-fits-all approach. 2. The 4 main types of market segmentation. Let's delve into the core types of market segmentation: geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral. Geographic segmentation is all about where. Demographic is the who, age, gender, education, etc. Psychographic gives us the why, lifestyle and values. Behavioral segmentation focuses on the how, the way people interact with your product or service. 3. Benefits of market segmentation for businesses. 1. Pinpoint precision. Picture a laser-focused beam shining a light on exact customer needs. That's segmentation. You can tailor your products, marketing, and services to fit like a glove. 2. Resource smarts. By knowing who to target, you're not throwing darts in the dark. Save cash and effort by aiming your resources where they'll make the biggest splash. 3. Competitive edge. When you know your audience like the back of your hand, you're one step ahead of the competition. Carve out a niche and become the go-to for your segment. 4. Pricing power. By understanding what each segment values, you can price products just right, not too high, not too low, but perfect for maximizing profits without scaring customers away. 5. Better customer bonds. Segmentation helps you speak your customer's language. Connect on a deeper level and they'll stick around, because loyalty is the spice of business life. 6. Spot new opportunities. When you are up close and personal with your market segments, you'll see opportunities others miss. Innovate and expand in ways that resonate with your audience. It's your secret weapon to scale new heights and really make your mark in the business world. Smart segmentation means happy customers, and happy customers mean a thriving business. Cheers to that. Clinking glasses. 4. Segmenting consumer markets, behavioral, psychographic, demographic, and geographic criteria. When it comes to consumer markets, we are looking at specific behaviors like purchase history, psychographics such as interests and beliefs, demographics including age, and the geographical location of your market. It's like assembling a jigsaw puzzle where each piece represents a deeper understanding of your customer. 5. B2B market segmentation, identifying your business customers. For B2B, segmentation gets even more interesting. Here, we consider company size, industry, decision-making roles, and even the technology they use. It's the process of identifying not just companies, but the ecosystems in which they operate. 6. The role of market research in effective segmentation. Market research is your compass in the segmentation journey. It helps you to understand consumer behavior, identify trends, and validate the segments you are targeting. This isn't about guesswork, it's about data-driven decisions. 7. Implementing a market segmentation strategy, a step-by-step guide. Implementing a segmentation strategy is a methodical process. Start with research, then segment your market, target the right segment, position your product. And then develop tailored strategies. With your segments in hand, design customized marketing strategies for each group. Think targeted messaging, personalized offers, and the right channels to reach them. Execute and monitor. Launch your targeted campaigns and keep a close eye on them. Are they performing as expected? Are there any surprises? Monitoring allows you to tweak and improve in real time. Refine and repeat. Market segmentation is not a set it and forget it deal. Regularly review and refine your segments to keep up with changing markets and consumer behaviors. This systematic approach ensures that your efforts are focused and effective. 8. Personalization and micro-segmentation, future trends in marketing. 1. It's all about the details. Micro-segmentation is like market segmentation in a magnifying glass. It divides the market into even smaller segments, sometimes down to the individual level. This helps businesses understand specific preferences and behaviors. 2. Why it's super effective. When you get marketing messages that resonate with exactly who you are, you're more likely to engage with the brand. It makes you feel seen and understood. Businesses that get this right are more likely to earn your loyalty. Here's the kicker, though. This trend is only going to get bigger with advancements in data analysis and AI. Imagine technology that predicts what you want before even you know it. Wild, right? But that's where we're heading. And the companies that are on top of their personalization and micro-segmentation game, they're the ones that are going to stand out. 9. Challenges and solutions in market segmentation. No journey is without its challenges, and in segmentation, these include data overload, rapidly changing markets, and segment overlap. The solution lies in agile methodologies, continuous learning, and keeping your strategies dynamic. 10. Measuring the success of your market segmentation strategy. Finally, how do you know if your segmentation strategy works? Key performance indicators, KPIs, like increased sales, higher engagement rates, and customer feedback are the litmus test of your segmentation's effectiveness. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the essentials of market segmentation. If you're ready to slice through the competition and deliver unparalleled value to your customers, then embrace segmentation with confidence. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more insights that will elevate your business prowess. I'm Thamizharasu, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue to build on your business success.